Hey guys, this is Sierra India Delta 1 November Echo Yankee. Actually, this is my first video, and I a couple of weeks ago bought this radio. It's a ICOM IC 2200H. It's a 2-meter ham radio. It's actually quite cool. I've been messing around with a few weeks right now. And today I just got this strange signal, so I want you to listen and check out for a second, and perhaps you can tell me what it means or where it comes from. So listen up. It comes and goes. And it has been giving that strange signal the whole day, so I thought it could be a repeater, but I'm not sure. So keep on close, listen up. And it keeps repeating and repeating and repeating the same sound. And it only holds for 1.5 or 2 seconds, and then it shuts down. Let's see for a second if I can make a contact, which I doubt it, but let's try. Check just take on the microphone right here. This is Sierra India Delta 1 November Echo Yankee on 2 meters. You are on 5-9 right now. Please, could somebody answer it? This is, hold on. Nothing. This is Sierra India Delta 1 November Echo Yankee. Did somebody reach me? No, nothing. It's always the same strange signal. Well, if some of you guys know what it means... Oh, there goes the course mode. Sorry, morse code. Guys, I have to apologize for a second for my English. My English kind of sucks. So I'm sorry about the wrong words in my sentences. Apologize about that. Again, this is Sierra India Delta 1 November Echo Yankee, and I hope that some of you guys know what the signal could be. And well, leave a comment below. Thanks you very much.